Felix. Another year older, but no barnacles yet. Well, as far as I know. Any mail for me?
Yes! I mean, ask somebody else. Oh, I'm no good under pressure.
Oh, what do you mean?
Let's weigh anchor, Brian. Time for a birthday chug around the lake.
Bye, girls. See you, Brian.
Ooh, that was a close one. Now, make sure you deliver those parcels carefully.
Don't worry, Mare. We've got this. OK, first stop, a delivery for Fabio at the coffee shop. Mojo is go-go! Whoa! Oh, Mojo is stop. That might work. Ha! There's only one way to find out.
Hello?
It did work!
Hello, Swoppiton. Hello, coffee shop. Hello, monster truck falling from the sky. Oh, my fizzy carrot juice. Thank you, Mojo and Bo. Delizioso.
Maybe the monster top wasn't the best idea. Yeah, and if we're going to be as good as Brian and Gail at delivering packages, we need everyone to get out of the way. Mojo, it's time for a hot swap. We could turn on the proper siren. Oh yeah, that's even better. Mojo Mail coming through.
Oh, look out!
Oh, now, this job calls for a hammer. I sure wish my new hammer would get here.
Hide on it! Looking for this?
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Bo and Mojo.
You're welcome!
Oh, ugh.
Next up, Jackson at the farm.
Crikey, Felix. It's getting a little bit muddy in here. Huh?
Morning, Jackson!
Oh.
Mojo and Bo. So, how's it going with your package deliveries?
Hi, Sunita. Couldn't be better. Brilliant. We are on fire.
Oh, really? Because that's not what everybody is telling me.
Oh, maybe we need another rethink.
Yes, good idea. And don't forget to deliver Brian's present.
Fancy a hot swap? Jet top! Swoppiton's first air mail service. There's nothing stopping us now.